Okay.
Good morning, students. We are meeting here now after long time. We have to know a few things about this determiner that some earlier lectures were given to you by me. Though a few rules about this definite article is still to be written down by you all, so you must understand those rules. Like the is used before nouns in apposition. Sometimes we have some nouns defining other nouns, subject word, and it is just placed beside the subject word. Like you see this is Tagore, the poet's house. So this house is defined. This house is of Tagore, and Tagore is what? Tagore is poet. So this poet word is in apposition, defining this subject word. So that way this the article is used. In the second term, this the is used as an adverb in a double comparison. Double comparison where you have to it carries some this adverbial sense, like the sooner the better it is. The higher you go, the colder it gets. Like so, here the is used as an adverb. So application of this definite article is getting wide and wide. So you must concentrate upon the rules given by me first of all. This third rule is telling like before proper nouns for sake of comparison. When we seek some comparison out of two persons or things, then we use definite article the. And how we do this we can see from this sentence. Like Surdas is the Milton of India. Here this proper Surdas is also proper noun. Milton is also proper noun. But since Surdas is compared of this great poet Milton of this Europe. So here the is defining this proper noun which who is compared with the other proper noun. So here you have got some other novelty also of this definite article. Now the other rule, hopefully it will be the 10th or 11th, I believe. Before comparative degree in case of a choice. If suppose we have to make a choice, then we should use this definite article the before comparative degree adjectives. Like she is the stronger of the two sisters. We have to make a choice between out of two sisters, and one is stronger and the other is weaker. So to identify those who is stronger than whom, we use this article the stronger of the two sisters. Here you can see this the article is used before the comparative adjective, and hence it is doing the work of adverb. So it is always you can say used in such a way where you should be careful enough. Like the other rules, before physical positions by locality. By locality, we mean sometimes the physical position, we mean the position of a house or a school or a market, like that. If suppose we have to identify a certain area or certain portion of this market, then we can say the front of market or the back of market or the center of market, like that. There we use different article the. Like here we have been given some examples here to understand, like the top of the mountain, the center of the garden or market, or in the back or front of the house, like that. So you must copy it, and it will go for a week. I believe next week it will go for full week, since after articles it will be quantifiers, then possessive and demonstratives also there with interrogatives. So all these things will this contain some time in itself, but your learning should not suffer at all. And I am your teacher, so whatever you don't understand regarding this definite or indefinite article, you place your queries in this straight off to me, and I will be there to shoot those queries. Okay, by you copy it well from top to bottom, and this make it in CW copies. Mm. Okay, fine. You copy it. Bye. And see the next class. Okay, bye.